All right, guys, let's face it. Time is money. The more time you spend cleaning up messes in and around your shop, the more money you're wasting. So a good shop always has to have good absorbent material around, like this product from New Pig. It's called the Pig Mat. It's 8 layers of polypropylene, super strong, super tough, and it absorbs almost everything. Literally any fluid, coolants, solvents, grease, oil, whatever. Small kids, cats, you'll probably lose a cat up in here as well. And the mess actually stays right in the mat. Look at that. Soaks it all up. And also, from our friends at New Pig, form a funnel. And one of those true, why didn't I think of this ideas? It's pliable, nitrile rubber. You could bend it, get it between tight locations in and around headers and so forth. And this is to make sure the oil never hits the floor. Pretty cool products, man. These products from New Pig and more available at our friends at Federated Auto Parts.